Okay, so we were at the consignment sale in Effingham, Kansas, and we found that beautiful thing. So this is a little giant bin unloader. And I'll step back here if I can and give you a little bit of perspective. So this is a paddle elevator that was made to go into a bin. It has 8 foot, from the center point here. But once you take your front part of your bin and open it up, you can get about 12 foot of projection on this elevator. And it will work wonderful for moving ear corn. We have modified it a little bit. We're in the process of restoring it here. Dane is finally getting a coat of paint on it. We had to put bearings in the head, and we also have had to, we shortened it about 18 inches there. That 18 inches made it unwieldy, and it doesn't need to elevate the corn near that high. But it was just basically a really good condition ear corn bin unloader. And you can see there's still paint on the paddles in real good shape. Anyway, somebody had put an air compressor motor on it. A 3,000 plus RPM motor, so we have to deal with that. And the head shaft was gone. We built a new head shaft for it there. And so just general, no, the top shield was obviously misadjusted and is completely eaten out, so we're going to have to refabricate that. But when we get done, we will have a functional, very good condition, little giant ear corn elevator. That will make it a lot easier when we're grinding ear corn out of the cribs. Well, the crazy supply chain, it took about 5 months to get our bearings, but they finally came yesterday, and so now we can continue with our project. And it's good because the corn bin is getting low enough that we're having to scoop every load. So the bearings came the other day, and we are finally back on project. So we got our bearings in. Now, on this conveyor that drives from the head, the relation of the sprocket there in relation to the outside is very important. So we took our little Speedy and we pull that up there. See how that is at 1 inch? That inside edge right there is at 1 inch, pulling a true edge off that side. And we stacked our shims up there appropriately. And on the other side, we wanted to duplicate that dimension. And so we got a 1 inch there. And luckily, a bearing sleeve was just the right width to balance that side to side. So now, the next step is one of the trickiest steps known to mankind. Back to our head piece that has to go in there and protect the sprockets. And so now we have to fit the head piece, and we have to mirror that. We have to make that head piece that we have built roll a lip and clear the sprockets. So that is the next job.